Let's welcome this guy to a toy collection. And I just made this guy because I wanted another person in this family. And in case you're wondering what race these guys are part of a fictional race I created called the Slogs. And if you want to know more about Slogs, well, check my Instagram and check my earlier posts on my Instagram, Whimsical Fun. And uh yeah, I did. I used before I was making these toy videos. I was doing creature biographies, and one of the creatures were slogs. And yeah, these guys are slogs. I really like the designs of those creatures I made up. So yeah, and I also gave him like a brow ridge, just to make him look kind of different. But yeah, let's welcome this guy to the toy collection. Doesn't really have a name, doesn't really have an identity, but yeah.